sure could use a new splitting mallet. What? I made this? Wow. That's right, Ken from the past. You did make that, and here's how. To make this kindling mallet, I selected this 3 by 3.5 inch piece of oak and cut it about 13 inches long. I planed off the old gray exterior to reveal the beautiful grain of this dense wood. I measured to find the exact center of the board and marked the diameter of the palm swell. I carefully measured the depth of my skill saw blade to get the right diameter for the handle, then made relief cuts to make the chisel work much faster. These skill saw cuts also gave me a guide so I knew how much wood to remove with the chisel, and I know a lathe would have made the handle much easier. I carefully shaved down the handle with my draw knife until it felt comfortable in my hand, then started working on the palm swell. This palm swell made the project much more complicated, but is very functional and decorative. I rounded off all the sharp edges with my sander, then wood burned my name into the mallet. To protect this very dry wood, I doused it in linseed oil, then a homemade mixture of palm oil and beeswax. I now have a proper mallet for making kindling and many other uses. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. What? I made this? Wow.